What's going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm going to plant a few seeds today. I'll start off with the American Flag Leek, and then also I'll be growing some cauliflower and broccoli, so I'll get the seed tray started on that. I wanted to show the cauliflower. It is 4 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And if you see up top here, there's 200 milligrams. So for a quarter, I think that's pretty good. I picked the broccoli up from the seed store. So it's offering 2 grams for $1.25. So that's 10 times the amount of seeds as the other one. The dollar store is a great option to get a few seeds and get them pretty cheap. But if you look around or you have a local seed store nearby, you can actually get a higher volume of seeds for a comparable or even better price. And so as not to make a huge mess, I'm going to cut the bag and I'm going to put it in my little mortar tray. So I'm going to use an ice pick to poke a few holes in the bottom of this container. So as I water, any excess can drip out the bottom. Be careful not to poke yourself if you are using an ice pick or a nail or anything to poke through, so you don't jam your fingers or hand on the back side. So the leeks really resemble onions when they're seed. I'm probably going to do most of these. And the other cool thing is you can pretty much do the same thing with onions. I actually did mine in a seed starting tray. I kind of regret it now, not doing it like this. It just kind of makes it a little easier because they're going to form sets, little bulbs. It kind of would have made it easier doing it like this, and I still may. And then I'll give them a little spritz of water. Okay. One down. So I know last year I paid $2.75 for the 50 cell tray and the container. I think it might have been $3 now. And that's from my local seed store. They sell a lot of lawn care material and stuff like that. So the other cool thing with the seed shop, they have the little starting tags. So green will be my broccoli, white will be my cauliflower. Now, this big stick I'm going to use as my little dibber. Well, I tried to open it up nice and that failed. So, just to show you, that's how many seeds I got for a quarter. That's how many seeds I got for $1.25. So, I put 25 into each cell. Jeez. I have 25 cells and I put 1 in each cell. So that's how many I had left over from the quarter pack. I'm just going to go through and double up as many as I can. I got 3 in that one cell. Just lightly cover over the seed, and then as we water it in, that will help to create a good seed and soil contact. Next up, broccoli. So knowing that I have a little bit more of these guys, I'll probably just double them up right from the beginning. And there's the seeds. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can come follow me in the garden, see where I plant these plants, and follow their journey and see how they grow. The good thing with having that little extra seeds, I really wasn't too picky on it. I was just dumping. A few times I was putting 3 in each cell. So, I'll lightly cover these guys up. And as I said before, when you go to water, that will help create another good soil to seed contact. A couple of these settled. That's what's nice with having it right in the area where I have the mix. And just my regular squirt bottle. It's not plant food. Now I'll place the seeds into that watering tray. Once the seeds do germinate, you want to be careful about spraying the top of the plants. You then want to actually start watering from underneath to allow the roots to grow, down and get the water, because that's what it's going to have to do when it's outside. So, thank you all for watching. You have a great day.